Okay, in this class we will see how classes work. Okay, what is the class? Class is a design, okay, paper design. Okay, when you create something, when you want to build a building, make a building, you first design on paper, and after that you build something. So on the paper this is class, and we make the object, it is the construction, real construction. Okay, so let's see class loops. This is the name of the class, and I put bracket and bracket here, and all the functions inside it, and bracket here. And now I pass. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, so I make the object. Okay, object is loop is equal to new, and name of the class is loops, and I put two brackets, and this is object. Loop is object. Okay, this is loop 1, for example, loop 1. Okay, so dollar loop 1, and this is the syntax to call its function for loop. Okay, now I have to pass counter, dollar counter, okay, in the for loop. And in the while loop, I write loop is equal to new loops. This is the class name, two brackets, and then I write loop and call the function this. Okay, again I write loop, dollar loop is equal to new loops. Okay, and I write dollar loop with the object name and this arrow operator, and this is while loop. And for each loop I will write loop, dollar loop is equal to new means new object. Okay, new loops class name and two brackets, and I use dollar loop and this arrow operator, and this is for each loop. So this is our class. This is the functionality, how we can call the functions with the inside the class. Okay, we make the object. Loop 1 is an object, and with the object arrow operator we call the function, and this is the argument parameter we are passing. Okay, so let's see, this name is classes 1. Okay, see what is classes 1. Classes 1 dot php. Let's see, classes 1 php classes 1. This is not conditions. Okay, I have to change the file name. Okay, this is php classes 1 dot php. Okay. So line 172 index number, and okay, I pass it 4 times. Okay, translate, and this is the output. There is no difference. Same loops, 4 functions we have used with functions, and now we are using function within the class. Okay, I just leave this. Okay, comment this. Okay, and you see there will be no for loop. I pass 4, and there is no for loop because that has been commented. While loop, do while loop, and we have this for each. There are access specifiers. Why we use classes? Because we can access the function. For example, I make it private. Okay, I make this function private. These functions private. I can make the functions private. Okay, data private. Let's see. 4, translate. Okay, uncalled call error loops context. Okay, loops, for loop, because this is a private method, call to private method loops. Okay, I change this only to public. Okay, now see the output. I pass 4, translate, and this is okay because this is public, this is accessible, for loop is accessible, while all other loops are not accessible because functions are private to this class. Okay, now I use static. What is the use of static? There is no need of object. Okay, let's see. I press 3. Okay, it is giving 3, but there is no need of object, no need of any object. I remove this, comment this. Okay, and now I should do class name, loops and colon 2 times. Okay, this is for static functions. And now I press 5, okay, and translate, and 5 times. Okay, if I use this for loop, then it will throw an error. This is static function. Static function means without an object. Okay, without an object, loops and 2 columns. This is important. Okay, this is static function. There is protected function. Protected means child classes can access. Okay, private means there are abstract methods, abstract function. Abstracts means we cannot in the abstract classes we cannot make the objects. In the abstract function we have to use those functions in the child class. We have to define that function in the child class. Okay, so in the interface there are interfaces. In interface we have to define. This is a must that we have to define all the functions of the interface. Okay, there is no object, and abstract class no object, interface no object, and classes, ordinary classes, and class can be public or private. Okay, so this is how we use access specifier. And what about the data? If I write public private dollar counter $con is equal to 0. So I will use dollar this class. The value of this class is dollar counter. Okay, the value of this counter is this con. This means data of this class. Okay, now see the output, this dot con, and I will use this dot con, dollar this and con, con. Okay, without dollar sign, con. Same output. I press 6 times and translate. Okay, there is an error. Use this when not in object context. Okay, now this is dollar counter and dollar con. Using this when not in object context. Okay, it is throwing some error for loop because this is loop. Okay, I should write this public. Okay, right, object context means I write 6 and translate. Okay, when not in object context. So there